All right, let's get this GoHawk soundbar installed. First, let's see what we're working with. You've got the soundbar itself, the mounting hardware, the SAE power cord, and the remote control. Everything you need is right here. Step 1. Take these little rubber inserts and pop them into the mounting clamps. This protects your handlebars from any scratches. Then, just wrap the clamp around your bar and tighten it down. Super simple. The cool thing about these clamps is they're totally universal. You can adjust them to fit pretty much any handlebar size, and you can swivel them to get the angle just right. Now, just place the soundbar onto the clamps. See? You can still pivot it up or down to point the sound exactly where you want it. Time for power. Run the included SAE power cord down to your battery. The red wire goes to positive, black to negative. Next, let's mount this wired remote. Find a spot on your handlebar that's easy to reach. Clamp it on, and then plug the cable into the back of the soundbar. No guesswork here. All right, moment of truth. Hold down the power button for about 3 seconds, and boom, we're live. You'll see the display light up. Now, if you went all in with the bundle that includes the 2 external speakers, here's how you add them. Mount them on your handlebars, just like the soundbar. Then plug them into these RCA ports on the back. Instant concert quality sound. Let's connect your phone. Go into your Bluetooth settings on your iPhone. It's the same for Android. Find GoHawk on the list and tap it. You're connected. Now just hit play on your favorite playlist. Using the remote is a breeze. Click the volume up and down to, well, control the volume. Click the next or previous buttons to skip tracks. A quick press on the play divided by pause button will stop the music. Want to change the LED color? Just press and hold the volume down button. You can pick either blue or white color and effects to match your ride's vibe. For FM radio, first make sure the antenna is plugged in. Then, to scan for all available stations, just press and hold the play divided by pause button. It'll scan for a minute or two and save all the stations for you. After that, use the next and previous buttons to jump between them. Got music on a USB drive? Just plug it into the port. Then, to switch to USB mode, just give the power button a single click. It'll instantly start playing your music. And that's it. From unboxing to rocking out, it really is that easy. Now you're ready to hit the road with some serious sound. Enjoy the ride.